Hello friends, welcome to our channel, Health is Wealth. In this video, I am going to tell you about tips for skin glow and how to get clear skin naturally at home. Please watch this video till end, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and click on bell icon to get notification when I post new videos. Here are very simple steps to get clear skin naturally at home, skin glow tips at home. 1. Drink lots of water. It hydrates the skin, flushes out all the toxins from the body, thus helps to keep the skin pimple free. Make your water bottle your best friend. Water, water, water. Drink at least 4 to 5 liters of water every day. It will make you look better. 2. Keep your face clean and well, moisturize. 3. Sun protection. Always apply sunscreen when you go out during the day. Sun is another biggest factor for skin aging. Always go in the sun after applying sunscreen and reapply it after every 2 hours or as directed if you are still out in the sun. 4. Eat right. Eat a balanced diet. Whatever you eat is going to reflect on your face. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Stay away from junk and processed food. 7. Regular exercise. This pumps blood to the skin, removes toxins from the body and helps maintain good skin. Take care of cleansing well after you work out. At least 10 minutes exercise daily for healthy skin. 8. Scrubs with large granules. You can use coffee with sugar for scrub. 9. Including foods rich in vitamin C, lemon, oranges, papayas, amla can have an advantage in skin health. It reduces dark spots and lightens your skin. Vitamin C lock the glow for whole day. 10. Before going to bed, wash your face and apply any vitamin C serum. 11. Last but not the least, sleep well. When we sleep, our body enters the maintenance phase. Skin is also repaired during that time. So do not forget to get 7 to 8 hours of beauty sleep. Follow these very easy steps and you get glowing skin at home. Keep glowing. If you want to add anything, please feel free to add below in comment section. Also, please let me know you want me to publish the video for any specific topic, please comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Health is Wealth. And click on bell icon to get notifications of new videos.